Good morning, students. Part 2, Chapter 1, Parts of Speech, Topic Pronoun. In first video, we have done noun. Now we'll do about pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun in a sentence. For example, he, his, us, she, etc. are pronouns. Pronouns has different kinds: personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive, emphatic pronouns, relative pronouns, distributive pronouns, and indefinite pronoun. First of all, personal pronoun. Pronoun that stands for a person or a thing is called a personal pronoun. These pronouns refer to the speaker, means first person. The person spoken to is called the second person. The person spoken about is called the third person. Example of first person is I, we, my, me. Example of second person is you, yours. Example of third person is he, she, it, they. Next is demonstrative pronoun. Words that are used to point out to the object are demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, or those are called demonstrative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. Who, which, what are the examples of interrogative pronouns. Who are you? What are you doing? These are called interrogative pronouns. Next is possessive pronouns. A pronoun that shows possession or ownership is called possessive pronoun. Possessive means ownership. For example, this shirt on the table is mine. Mine is here possessive pronoun. The books on the shelf are yours. Yours is possessive pronoun. Next is reflexive pronoun. These are used when the action done by the subject turns back or reflects on the subject. The old man cooks all his meals himself. Himself is reflexive pronoun here. One thing that is noted down: a reflexive pronoun can never be used as the subject of a sentence. It is always used as the object of a verb. For example, myself went to see the movie is a wrong sentence. This is not a right sentence. Next is emphatic pronoun. These pronouns place emphasis on the doer of the action. She will complete it herself. Herself is emphatic pronoun here. The emphatic pronoun emphasizes that she will complete it. Next is relative pronoun. These pronouns are used to connect a clause or a phrase to another noun or pronoun. Whose, who, which, that are relative pronoun. For example, this is the boy who got first position. This is the watch which is gifted me by my mother. Distributive pronoun. These pronouns denote members of a group separately but not collectively. Each, every, either, neither, everyone, none, any are the most common distributive pronoun. Next is indefinite pronoun. These pronouns are used when the things they denote are not specific. Nobody, everybody, somebody, anybody, anyone are indefinite pronouns. Thank you and have a nice day.